Hello everyone, it's Colette, and today we're going to be working on this fiery drag marble. If you love nail art, be sure you subscribe to my channel, My Simple Little Pleasures, and if you'd like to see how I did this, just stay tuned. Starting out with clean dry nails, we're going to begin with the base coat. Today I'm using Holo Taco Peely Base, and you can use whichever is your personal favorite. The polishes that I'll be using today are from the Holo Taco Fire and Ice bundle. The red is Hot Take, the orange shimmer is Scorched Earth, the gold shimmer is Halogen Glow, and the blue shimmer is Freezer Burn. For this drag marble, I'm going to be working wet on wet. So first I'm going to get out a little bit of each of the three shimmers on a plastic lid. Then I'm going to apply a coat of the red, and while it's still wet, I'm going to swirl in the shimmers with a small brush. I did a little bit of cleanup around the edges with my usual small brush dipped in acetone, and now I'm going to finish everything off with top coat, and as usual, I'm using Seche Vite. So here's the finished manicure, and I really like how this turned out, although it's proving a little difficult to capture on camera. It's been a while since I did a drag marble, and the shimmers on top of the red create a really cool effect. I do want to give you guys some flashlight time, and I'll try to include some pictures under different lighting at the end as well. If you'd like to see the extended tutorial for this, it's available now over on my VOD channel. And if you'd like to join me live for nail art, you can come follow over at twitch.tv/ColetteMSLP. Or if you'd like to support me here on YouTube, you can join the channel as a member for some perks like emoji. I'd love to hear what you guys think down in the comments. I hope you all enjoyed, and if you did, I hope you'll leave a thumbs up. And of course, as always, thanks for watching. After wearing these glossy for a day, I decided to make them matte, and I'm going to be using Holo Taco's Matte Taco. So I really like how these turned out matte, and I think it makes them a lot easier to see on camera as well. And while it does take away the shine, it really doesn't take away the shimmer. So I do want to give you guys just a bit more flashlight time so you can see that, and then we'll move into the pictures as usual.